Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hey, I am Barsha. I make videos on lifestyle, skincare, self-care, makeup, and I also like to talk about everything and anything on this channel. So if you are interested, then stay. In this video, I am going to show you all the lip products that I own and probably rank them. I may not rank them, but I am definitely going to show you some of my favorite ones, and I have done some impulsive shopping before, so there might be some lip products that I haven't used at all. But anyways, I'm going to show you some of my favorite lip combos that I've been doing for the past few months. These are some of the ones that I'm obsessed with. So let's get on with the video then. So I am going to divide this video into sections. First, I'm going to start with lip balms. I think these are some of the most basic ones, but also the most useful ones, and I think every single person has this. It's a Vaseline jelly, the original, and I think everyone has used this before. It's the best one. Like, one you cannot compete with Vaseline, the original, and I've used different lip balm products before. It's the best one, top tier. Also tried and tested this lip product. The first one that I'm going to talk about is from Lotus Herbal. It's in cherry. Now, one of the things that I like about Lotus Herbals is that it's very subtle and it's very consistent. I've also used different ones from Lotus Herbals before, and I would say this is the one that I actually liked. To show you, can you see? It doesn't stain too much. It's just there. It works wonders because it doesn't stain too much, but it also protects your lips. So another best one. I think I was obsessed with this one when I was a teenager. I think all teenage girls has experienced this before, but I was obsessed with baby lips. I got this in so many different colors that I forgot which one to use. Now I'll tell you one thing about me is that I really like my lip balms to be a little tinted because I have pale lips, and if I don't put a little color onto it, I will look dead. I'm going to show you this as well. It's in Berry Crush. Just look at this color. Just look at this color, guys. And it smells like berries. What more do you want, right? So the last one from the lip balm section is this one from Nivea. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm really obsessed with color like this. Give me everything in this color and I'll get obsessed. And I also like that Nivea has a very subtle scent to its lip balms. That's amazing. As you can see, it's a little tinted, but not too much. And that's the end of the first section. And of course, I'll have to rank them. The first one, the OG. This is the original, the best one, top tier. I'm always going to go with this. But of course, I'll have to put one honorable mention from the lip balm section, and that's going to be the Nivea. So let's move on to the next section. My favorite lip glosses. Now I'm going to start with my first lip gloss ever, and it was actually a gift. I was obsessed with it for a long time, and I've used it so much, and I still have a lot left. It's this one, and I'm going to show you how pretty this is. Just look at the shine, guys. It's like color is a mixture of maroon, brown. It also has like sparkles in it, and you can use it with any lip liner that you have and it will look great. The next one is a recent purchase of mine, and it's from Faye Beauty. This one, it's in shade Soaring, and I've always wanted one brown lip gloss. It's a very nice shade of brown, which really looks great when I use it with a lip liner, a brown lip liner. And yeah, I think one of my favorite recent purchases. And also, it smells amazing. Let's move on to the next one. Now this next lip gloss kind of like was an impulsive purchase, and after using it twice, I've never used it again. It's this. I would say that I got this from like a convenience store, but I bought it because it looked so pretty. But the thing is, this looks very orangey on my skin, and it is a red that I don't really prefer. I'm going to show you. Now it looks really nice on camera, but in real, whenever I put it on, no, it doesn't really suit me. so I stopped using it, but I think I can use it as a cheek tint. Yeah, probably yes, but I'm not gonna use it as a lip gloss. So let's move on to the next lip gloss. Now this one from DM Beauty. It's a very nice shade. The shade is in Rose. I really like this lip gloss from DM Beauty because I can put it on whenever I'm going for a no makeup look, but I still want some gloss on my lips. That's when I will use this because the color is super pretty and super subtle. I'm gonna show you. But the thing about this lip gloss is that I've seen the lip gloss spatter a little onto my clothes whenever I was trying to take out the applicator. But it smells amazing again. It has been one of my favorites for a while now, but this doesn't stay for a long time. So this next lip gloss is something that I was not really sure where to put it in. Either it was a lip balm or a lip gloss, but I decided to put it in the lip gloss section because that's what this says. Now this lip gloss from Dot & Key, it smells amazing, just like a strawberry, and it's tinted. I think I took out a lot, but it's fine. Now this is the real color, but this does not happen to my lips. It's again very subtle. I really like how this smells. But the thing about this lip gloss is that it makes my lips a bit dry, and I don't want my lip gloss to become dry after I put a lip gloss. I mean, I still use it and I'll use it until it gets over, but it definitely makes my lips very dry. So I'm not going to get it again. So this next lip product is also a recent purchase of mine, and I am obsessed with this lip gloss. It's this lip gloss from Bobbi Brown, and it's in shade Slow Jam. I am so obsessed with this lip gloss. So obsessed. I'm obsessed with the color, the bottle, the packaging, everything. And just look at how the applicator comes out whenever I try to open it. It comes out automatically. Look, isn't this great? Now this lip color, it's almost similar to this one. The thing is, it's a little darker and it stays for a long time, and I really like how the applicator comes out, and it smells amazing as well. And that's the end of the second section of the video. It's everything that I've always wanted in a lip gloss. The color, the packaging, the bottle, the applicator, how long this lasts, and everything. Yeah. So let's move on to the next section, some of the liquid lipsticks that I own. And this section is going to get over soon because I only have 3 liquid lipsticks with me, and as you can see, they're all from Maybelline. I think you can sponsor me. I'm just kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna show you my favorite one from all the 3. It's in shade Irresistible, and that's what I'm wearing right now. And this smells like heaven. I don't know what they put in it, but it smells like heaven. This is shade Irresistible, and this one, it's in shade 65, Saucy. These are the 2 shades, and I really like both these shades because it really gives you that gloss that you want, and also it stays for a long time. It's a mixture of both a lipstick and a lip gloss. So this is the 3rd one, and it's a matte lipstick. Now I am over matte lipsticks, but I really like this shade, but I don't think I use it very often. So yeah, the winner of this section, liquid lipstick, is this one, the Irresistible. I'm obsessed with it and I've used it for the longest time. So let's move on to the next section, which is all about lipsticks. Now these days I don't usually put on lipstick. I only go out with a lip liner and a gloss. But these are some of my favorite lipstick shades, and now some of them are very old. I've been using them for a long time, and since I only dab my lipstick on my lips, which is why I think that I still have them. Now let's start with my very first lipstick that I ever owned, Bobbi Brown. Now I think I bought this around 2021 or 22. Like, it was around the end of 2021. That's when I bought this, and it's in shade Rich Cocoa. I think I bought this like many years ago, and there's still a lot left. I'm gonna show you the color. It's a very nice brown shade which goes really well with any brown lip liner that you have. I'm gonna use it till it gets over. Now this one, it's from MAC. And as I mentioned before that I really like subtle colors, and it's in shade 205, Cream in Your Coffee. I think that's what it says. Yeah, it's in shade Cream in Your Coffee. I don't know if you can say it since it's in very small letters, but I really like this one as well. And it's also very old and I still have it. Smells amazing, and I'm gonna show you the color. This is also my go-to for every day, like whenever I have to quickly put on something and run. I'll put this on and then I'll run. It's a very beautiful subtle color. I'll use it till it gets over as well. Now the next one is from Maybelline, and this is also an old one. I'm showing you all my old lipsticks because I've not bought a new lipstick in a while now, and since I already have so much, I don't want to purchase another lipstick. That doesn't go for lip glosses, but lipsticks, I'm fine with whatever I have right now. This is also an old one. It's from Maybelline and it's in shade Dusty Pink. Again, I still have a lot left. Now you can definitely see that all the shades that I am showing you are similar, but whenever I put it on my lips, it looks different for some reason. Now this red lipstick, it's from L'Oreal. I really like the packaging. It's not a subtle color and it's not something that I will wear every single day, but I am obsessed with this one. I'm gonna show you why. This is the perfect red that I cannot find anywhere else. I bought it last year and I have still so much left. I'm gonna show you the color. Now when I put it on my lips with a red lip liner, a little darker than the lipstick, it looks stunning. It looks stunning, and I'm definitely gonna wear this whenever I have some event or if there's a party that I want to look confident and I want a bold red lip. This is gonna be my lipstick that day. So everyone, that was all of my lip care products. Now I'm going to show you some of my best lip combos, and I think you can try them out with any lip products that you have, also with similar products from any different brand that you want. So yeah, let's get on with it. So guys, I just want to give you a tip before we start. Whenever you are going out somewhere and if you want your lips to look hydrated, not chapped, then definitely try putting on Vaseline or any lip balm that you have, like at least 30 to 40 minutes before you put on your lip gloss, lipstick, anything. I'm just gonna show you, so it's gonna be fine. I put on this dark reddish brown as my lip liner. It's gonna look great and you can never go wrong with something like this. So yeah, trust me. Look, this is how easy this is. You can definitely go without a lip liner if you want, but I really like a lip liner and then putting on a lip gloss because it makes my lips a little more defined. That's what I really like. So these were two of my best lip combos and my one go-to lip combo. Hey everyone, I am so sorry that I have to end the video like this. It's because my camera's battery died. Anyways, I was almost done with the video, so thank you so much for watching. I'm really grateful. And if you like the video, please let me know in the comment section if you want to see more content like this, and I'll try to come up with more similar content in future. And for the lip combos that I showed you, do give it a try and come up with your own little creations and have fun, enjoy. That's all I wanted to say. Have fun. you know, have fun. And I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.